Hi everybody, I'm Penny Johnson, your instructor for the summer section of the Outlook class. In this video, I'm going to walk through the steps for saving your homework to a Word document so that you can send it to yourself and then upload it to Blackboard. You can see on my screen, I have open and displaying to you my laptop's desktop. In addition, I've already launched Google Chrome and I've logged in to my virtual desktop. In my virtual desktop, I launched my Outlook account and I've already walked through the steps for Chapter 1. While I was walking through the steps for Chapter 1, I was reading the Chapter 1 assignment guide and following the instructions there to save all of the screen prints which I'll need to submit to Blackboard for the assignment points. Okay, so I've done all of that work. I've saved that Word document to the desktop in my virtual desktop environment. So I just want to show you how to do that in case you haven't done it before. I clicked File, Save As. I'm going to click Browse. And from the left, when I click Desktop, this is the desktop to my virtual desktop environment. So I just save my document there. It's in a nice handy place. All right, now because I've done all of the work for Chapter 1, I can exit out of Microsoft Word. Now, how do I get this document to myself so that I can submit it to Blackboard? Well, there are a few options. If you know how to upload the document to your OneDrive, you could do that. If you wanted to upload the document to your H drive, that works as well. Another option is just to email it to yourself. So I'm in my virtual desktop. I'm using the Outlook that's located there. I'm going to start a new email message and I'm just going to send it to my regular Outlook account. So I'm going to send it to myself via my regular Outlook. This is the Module 1 homework. So I'm just going to give it a nice title. And then I'm going to insert or attach that Word document. Because I just had it open in Microsoft Word, it comes up at the top of the list for me. If you don't see it there, you can click Browse and go find it. So I know I saved mine on my desktop, and there it is, my Module 1 homework. Okay, it'll attach, and then I'm just going to send to myself. Again, if you've tried to log into Blackboard via the virtual desktop to submit, it just doesn't work very well. Okay, so now I'm done with the virtual desktop. I'm going to get this window out of the way. I'm back at my laptop's desktop, and I'm going to go into my regular Outlook. So here I am. You can see I've been practicing, and I just received that email from myself with my Module 1 homework. So now I have to save this somewhere so that I can upload it to Blackboard now that I'm in my regular account. So I'm going to do a File, Save As. And for me, I like to save all of my work. I have a folder that I call Documents Penny, and then there are all of my classes. I'm going to go to my Outlook class, and I have a folder called Homework. I've already been practicing, so I have a file. I'm just going to save over the top of it. I'm going to save it right there to my Homework folder. And now I'm ready to submit to Blackboard. So I'm going to go back to Google Chrome. You may have noticed that in addition to being logged into the virtual desktop, I'm also logged into Blackboard. I'm going to advance to our Outlook class, and I'm ready to submit this file. I go to Assignments at the left. This was for Module 1, so I'm going to click on Module 1. It was Assignment 1, so I'm going to scroll down until I see the submission link for Assignment 1. I'll click that. I'm going to scroll down again. I'm going to click Browse to go get that file and attach it. So I'm going to browse. And in just a minute, it'll come up on the screen. And I'm going to go back to my homework folder. So you just go to wherever you saved it. So I go to Outlook. For me, my homework folder, there it is, Module 1. It attaches here. And now I'm ready to click Submit. And just as an FYI, if you click Save Draft here, I as the instructor can't see it. I can't grade your work. You have to click Submit. So you guys go ahead and click Submit. You see I get an error message because I'm an instructor. It doesn't work. You submit it. If you have any trouble at all, feel free to email me at any time.